Hello everyone, it's Maria Russell here with you today, back for Not Too Shabby. I'm going to share with you how to make this very cute slimline card showcasing components from the April subscription box from Not Too Shabby. If you haven't checked it out yet, it's already available at the shop, so you can either subscribe for a monthly subscription to get the box, or you can also just buy the box separately. So here's what it looks like. It includes ephemera die cut pieces that you can use for your card, and it features a lot of really cute images. So you get that, and then you get 3 stamp sets, and I really love the stamp sets in this monthly subscription box. The first one that I have here is called Me Time, and this is what I use for my card today. And it features that cute girl with the headphones listening to music, the plants that you can decorate your living room scene or bedroom scene, and this little couch and some books, and the cat. The cat reminds me of my own cat, Phoebe. And then the next stamp set that I'm showing you here is called Time to Relax, and I really love this girl here. The girl image with some candles and the bathtub and the cute cat there wrapped in a robe, and some floral images that you can use for other cards, and the leaves. And it has 2 sentiments. One is pamper yourself and look fabulous and be awesome is the second sentiment. And for the third stamp set, also a really cute one. This is called Not Today, and it features that cute t-shirt that says Not Today with a heart, really cute, and a sweatshirt. It says Namaste in bed with the socks, chocolate, eye mask, this girl sitting on a yoga pose, and this little cute chair here with the coffee and the phone and the bow, and 2 sentiments as well. It says need coffee, adulting is hard, it's okay to take a break for the next sentiment. So 3 amazing stamp sets and 2 amazing paper pads, and this first one is called Lazy Day Basics, and this is the one that I use for my card today, and the other one is called Just Lazy Day, that coordinates with the stamp set and the other paper pad. And before I start the process, I just wanted to mention here that on April 7th, the Not Too Shabby design team, some of the girls will be a part of a YouTube hop, and there will be prizes, and the team will be sharing some samples of projects using the April box. So I'm just stamping the images here with Memento ink, and I'm going to show you some coloring, not all of them. So I'll just put some music on, and then I'll be back after the coloring is done. And here's what it looks like once I was done with the coloring. I just colored a bunch of images, and at this point in the process, I didn't really know where I was going with the card. I just knew that I wanted to color a bunch of the images, and I will just put the extras in the stamp packaging. I will be using this Lazy Day Basics and this room scene builder from Trinity Stamps. I thought would go perfectly well with the images that I colored today. And off camera, I've already die cut the room scene builder with the paper pad. So I used the paper pad for the drapes, and I also die cut the rug, and I used my Copic markers to create some texture on the floor just to make it look more realistic, and also used the paper pad to adhere it on the picture frames to start building my scene. I purposely colored the images to kind of match the paper pad and my whole color scheme so that everything blends well together. I'm going to adhere the foreground on a slimline card base. But before I do that, I have this scrap left over from a Halloween paper pad by LDRS Creative. So I will just adhere that over by the window to create my nighttime scene. I'm using some art glitter glue, and I really love this pointy nozzle or something like that that's included with the glue set. And I really love that glue for some reason, so I'm gonna start using that more. So I'm going to adhere the foreground on a slimline card base and start building up my scene. And this card was so easy to put together once I had everything die cut. And so I'll start with the plant first using the art glitter glue, and then I think I'm going to add the sofa. Yes, I'm going to add the little couch there and going to pop that up with some foam adhesive just for added dimension. Also adhere the picture frames, and I really love when I started creating the scene because it looks so realistic, and I thought the room builder scene by Trinity went well together with this Me Time stamp set. So this is the card today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to check out the YouTube hop on April 7th so that you can win some prize from Jamie's giveaway, and everything will be listed and linked in the description box below. I was just finishing some few touches here using my jelly roll pen to add some texture to the couch. But basically, that's about it. So here's what it looks like. I really love how it turned out. And I hope you guys like the card too. I thought this was really cute. And if you do, I would be so grateful if you can kindly give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And leave some comments if you want to. Thank you again for stopping by today. I hope you have a good day and happy crafting.